Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain uMAKE app review to see with what you're using. So in this video, I'm going to give a little breakdown review about this mobile app, which is uMAKE. So to get started, uMAKE is a mobile 3D design app built specifically for iPad, offering a sketch-based modeling, knob curves, 3D extrusion, AR preview, and Apple Pencil support. It ideas for designers and creative who want to sketch ideas and shape them into 3D form quickly. The interface is clean and feature like image to 3D conversion and infinite workspace made it a powerful tool for early stage concepting and visualization. However, the app can lag with complex model and may crash on older device. Beginner may struggle with its learning curve, and the subscription model has drawn the complaint due to unexpected charges after the trial. And here's a very conclusion. The app simply worth it for professional or designers, even students who sketch in 3D often, but not ideal for anyone who need a high precision modeling or want a free beginner friendly CAD apps. And that's it.